Revolutionize your workflow with Neuro. Feeling overwhelmed by managing multiple AI tools and expensive subscriptions? Say hello to Neuro, the universal AI app that's here to revolutionize the way you work and create. With Neuro, you get access to over 90 premium AI models, all from one easy-to-use dashboard. No more juggling apps or paying hefty monthly fees. Dynamic visuals show different creative outputs, stunning 4K images, professional voiceovers, animated sales funnels, sleek websites, and engaging articles. Need to design a logo, craft engaging advertisements, or generate breathtaking visuals? Neuro does it all. Whether you're building a brand, writing content, or designing the next big thing, Neuro is your go-to tool. Why spend hundreds on individual AI tools when you can save both time and money with Neuro? No monthly fees, no hassle, just limitless possibilities. Even if you're new to AI, Neuro's intuitive design makes it a breeze to use. It's like having a creative genius at your fingertips. Click the link below to get started. Don't wait! Unlock your creative potential and simplify your workflow today with Neuro. Your all-in-one solution is just a click away. Neuro, AI made simple, affordable, and powerful.